is everything chrome?
Man, this beat got me feeling like the franchise boys in this bitch. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean, swear, rock.
What's motherfucking poppin', hoes? I'm Mary, and today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me morning routine / vlog for my graduation. Right now, I'm just about to go to the graduation practice. When I come back, I'll get ready and stuff for the graduation. Guys, I'm currently about to leave. I'm about to leave right now. I just wanted to record this video real fast before I left. Guys, I can't believe I'm about to graduate. It's crazy, right? Wait, I'm gonna show you in a second. Shut up. I think it's really fat to go back in the house to go get a meat lovers breakfast thing, but I am. Who fucking cares? Came back for meat lovers, guys. Why not? I did what? Oh my gosh, man, I just came all the way back in here. I even had the car started and everything. I'm about to eat. That this place is right by my house. I'm almost literally there, and I should just got my meat lovers. Like, alright, y'all, so I just currently put my lashes on and they look alright. Guys, I'm fucking K19 period.
Dude, what? Come on, Mary.
You'll go next year though. You'll go graduation next year. Yeah.
Yeah, my cousin Rickon is right there with the dreads. Right, okay. Oh yeah. Man, let's get it, y'all. Oh my God. Proud moment right now, y'all. Proud moment.
Please be seated.
Look at her. I think she did good.
Good evening.
Stand up. She just think about it. Man, did you see her? Mary! Yeah, she need the chills, okay? Show the poem for the squad, for the gang, for the people.
Fuck you like that.
I'm dead. She funny.
In your sleeve. Oh, you dropped it? Oh.
This her fit. This her graduate. Oh no, she those sandals ain't.
I had those heels on.
Those sandals ain't. But,
Oh, Denisha graduated too, guys.
oh yeah. My kid graduated.
How you think that, Mary?
She graduated from kindergarten, I think. Yeah.
So, Let me airdrop them. I'll airdrop them.
Oh my God.
She said stop that. You airdrop it while I'm taking pictures. Y'all drinks. Y'all go. Hey, you want to record? There go Mary right there. This weird because I'm recording. Now look at that. I tried the next day. I've been read these cards yesterday, but I just want to read it to y'all. So this one is from my mom. This one is the one that had money in it. If I knew you could do it, I know you can achieve whatever you believe. So never doubt yourself on this journey to be amazing. Always be the best you. You're beautiful, smart, and very talented. Love you so much, Mom. Oh, I didn't read that next time. Okay. May the pride you must be feeling today give you the confidence for the future. And may you know that many others will be sharing in your happiness. May you know that many others will be sharing in your happiness as you strive to achieve the dreams that mean the most to you. Period. Okay. Ever wonder why on a such moments Ever wonder why on a such moments, I don't know the word, occasion, you have to wear the same dress as everybody else? Congratulations. Mary, I'm so proud of you. Love, Mom, Mimi, Chris, Rajani, and Denisha. Love you guys too. I love everybody else for me. Okay, now I'm going to give me this to the graduate on her day. And it says, wishing you beautiful moments to fill your day with wonderful memories from tucking away. Lots of new plans for the future you start, and dreams coming true, bringing joy to your heart. Congratulations and all the best. I'm best. Congratulations and all the best. I'm very proud of you, baby. Love your broke ass aunt. Well, she didn't put ass, but she said broke. She funny, no, she ain't broke. Like, girl, bye. Ain't nobody in my family broke. Like, what? I love everybody.